Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're taking a real quick look at a brand new 2023 No Boundaries 10.7 Overland trailer here. We're going to run you around the outside here and inside as well. So first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior attached to the Azdel composite material, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewalls. You have tinted windows, 2 entry doors, 1 on each side, and they do have screen door and window in them as well. You have a storage compartment area right here, some of your crank handles, and the cold water spray port hose. The storage door is held back by a magnetic holder when it's open. This was also ordered with the Batwing awning, and this awning basically kind of stretches out and around the side and on around to the back. Check out that little outdoor kitchen there. We'll check that out here shortly. So you have metal fender skirt. That acts as a step, allowing you to step up onto that and say roll up your Batwing awning or load something onto the cargo rack if you put one on the roof. You have porch light here, and that porch light is currently in amber mode, but you flip the switch the other way and it goes into clear mode. Down below right here, you can see the spare tire mounted underneath. Also have the heavy-duty scissor jacks, 1 on each corner to stabilize it. There's an electric outlet on this side as well. Now, whether you have the Batwing awning out or not, the door kind of acts as a little bit of an awning as well back here. So you can raise that up. It's got shock assist on it, and that will kind of act as an awning for you. You have 2-burner gas stovetop here with a flip down lid. There's the attachment for the cold water spray port in case you need to hose things off. There's a magnetic holder that holds this in, but that is a little storage area right here for that. A little bit of storage underneath your 110 volt mini fridge. You have high-rise sprayer faucet, little sink area here, electric outlet back here. The unit comes with a JBL flip, and then you also have a tire pressure monitoring system. We'll pop up a little video of that here at the end of this video for you, kind of explain that. Now, the basics of the cabinetry back here is metal. Lights back there as well. Now looking just down below here, there's a gas line hookup for that grill, and then you have a 2-inch hitch receiver on the back. Now that is meant for like a little bike rack or a little luggage rack. It's not meant to tow something behind this thing. Pretty cool setup. Now down here in the corner is where you plug in your electric outlet. And this is a 30 amp electric system on the RV. And you can see that cord stretched way back there to the pole. That's probably 25 or 30 feet roughly of cord. There is a tank drain underneath of here. And there is also, looks like a cold water low point drain down there as well. Just up here underneath the front side is a freshwater tank drain as well. Now real quick, check out the suspension on this thing. This thing is currently rocking the Kurt suspension system. Now I will pop up a video of this for you so you can see a little more about this that the factory did. Check it out real quick.
We are on site with you today. I'm Cody Shade, and we are giving you a field test of the Kurt Beast Mode suspension system featured on the 2023 No Boundaries product lineup. Now, this is our 5th season with No Boundaries, offering our consumers a turnkey adventure unparalleled in the lightweight travel trailer segment. The Kurt Beast Mode is going to take No Boundaries to that next performance level that you haven't seen yet. What makes it so special? Well, let's start with 5 inches of articulation on both the single and tandem axle setups. You've got an axle-less design that provides independent suspension going over smooth or rough terrain that both reduces rattles, reduces vibration, and increases the towability of the product. Now, the maintenance schedule on the Beast Mode suspension system mirrors that of exactly what you have towing down the road today, which is a never adjust braking system along with easy lube hubs, so it's virtually maintenance free. This will not only increase the length of life of the towable unit itself, but it will give you the peace of mind that you need to go farther off the street from street mode to beast mode like you never have before. Now, what sets this product apart are the nitrogen-filled gas struts along with racing-inspired coil spring design. Performance for No Boundaries has been the pinnacle of the product design. And again, we are laser focused on bringing you the most towable, most versatile product on the market. For more information about the CURT Beast Mode suspension system, check out ForestriverInc.com/Nobo or contact your local No Boundaries dealer.
All right, that was a pretty cool video right there that they set up for you to see a little more info on that. Using the Goodyear Wrangler tires, aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs, and 12-volt drum brakes there again. On the front corner here, you have your city water inlet, freshwater tank fill up, a cable inlet or satellite inlet, depending on what you're using. And you also have a portable prep. So you could do like one of those portable Go Power panels. Now there's also some real important informational stickers right here. So we have a dry weight sticker saying this is 2,358 pounds with all the options that are on it. 15 feet long, tire LT 225/75 R16 E-range tire, and you have your production date, VIN number all here, and then gross weight of 3,725 pounds. Just a quick look here at the roof. You can see the TV antenna here, roof vent here. And again, this one was ordered with the tent. I did not get the tent out, obviously, but if you want to see the tent out, check out the 10.6 video that I did on the Nobo. That tent was all set up and out, so you can get a little better idea what that's like. Diamond plate on the front. You have a battery disconnect up here, the repeater for the tire pressure monitor system, 20-pound propane tank. This customer did 2 battery boxes here, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety change, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, power tongue jack with a light and manual override. This customer did the Blue Ox weight distribution sway hitch system. It's a nice feature to consider adding when you are traveling around. Talk with your salesperson about doing something like that. Now up top here real quick, you can also see, again, this has the Rhino rack system on it, one of the kayak holders as well. So even with the tent being up there, you could still attach one kayak holder if you do the whole kayaking thing, or maybe if you do a bike rack or snowboard rack or something, you could put up there. Now if you don't do the tent, then you have a lot of roof space up there to kind of add what you want. All right, on to the inside. Right here across the front side of the RV here, we have the, let's see, we got light switch for the porch light, 12-volt tank heater for the fresh water, You have your monitor panel and stuff there. This one was ordered with the 32-inch Connects TV. That is on a little bit of a swing arm, so you can maneuver it around. You have a large turbo exhaust fan up here. There is a 31-inch electric Greystone fireplace. So that is basically a fancy electric space heater. We have some storage below that. The propane leak detector also right there. It's an all vinyl floor in here. Now I did put one of the cushions out into bed mode, and I have one of the dinette things down, so you can kind of see what that looks like right there. Screen door closed on the other side. You have a side mount air conditioner instead of a roof mount air conditioner, which freed up a lot of roof space up there. Electric box with the breakers and fuses back there, 2 electric outlets, and some USB charger ports. Let's spin around to the other side and look at it from that way so you can get a better idea on what it looks like from this side as well in here. So over on that side, you have the fire extinguisher over there. Hopefully you never need it, but you got it. There is some storage here. Comes with a little Thedford porta potty as well. And you can see there what it looks like with one of the tables flipped up. And then I took it from bed mode to seat mode. So you could sit back there and look forward, watch your TV and stuff back here. Window over there does also open. So overall, a pretty cool setup here for a little Overland trailer. Now I want to pop up that video on the suspension and the tire pressure monitor for you if you guys want to continue to check it out. But please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again. All right, guys, I wanted to take a second here and just kind of show you the basically unboxing and what this tire pressure monitoring system actually does. So this thing here has a lot of great features to it. We're going to open it up here real quick, show you what it's all about. Okay, so I got the box cut open already here, just so we don't accidentally stab ourselves on video or something stupid. So when you get it out, you have a little instructional code here, you got a little scanner here, but basically it's kind of telling you, you got a monitor, little 12 volt lighter adapter thing here with USB charger cord, and your suction cup mount holder. A little sticker here that comes with it, little warranty registration card and stuff like that. Here you can kind of see a little mount, it's plastic. It's got a little magnetic holder, but you suction cup it to your window. It's your little cord. And then you have your 5-inch screen here. And it's got a little sticker on it. I take off the little sticker. On the side of it, you do have your on-off button and your little charge button here. So you kind of see what it looks like there, and it magnetically attaches here. But let's turn it on here real quick so you kind of see what this all looks like. Now I have already programmed the 4 tires and stuff, kind of went through this, cheated a little bit here so I knew a little more about it before we started the video. But you can come in here and you have different setting controls here for it. So we can come in here, change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, change it from PSI to bar. You got miles, kilometers, hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, feet, meters. Again, kind of do what you prefer depending on where you're located at. Coming back in here, we got our tire pressure alert. And this will do up to 5 trailers. up to 6 tires per trailer. And this particular camper that we're in, if you remember that sticker, that tire sticker I showed you earlier, it told us 50 PSI cold. Now, when it comes in from the factory and you unbox this, you got to actually come in here and set that because it's at basically 0. So just come in here, type in your pressure of whatever the sticker tells you on the camper you happen to own. Hit this here, exit and save. Then we can swap tire locations. Again, depending on our trailer, we can kind of come back in and swap locations, do different stuff like that. Automatic code detect. Again, go to our trailer 1, and then we're going to step outside here, show you what that looks like. Okay, so we're back out here and we are looking at the tires. And you can kind of see the screen here. We're going to hit our little settings button, auto detect code, trailer 1, and then we're going to pick a tire. I've already got the code in here for this particular one, but to redo it, we're basically going to hit the learn button, and then you're supposed to wave it in front of the tire. You hear the beep. It'll pull up the code, save and exit. And then you go do your other tires as well. And you can kind of see here different codes for each tire. And it will do up to 6 tires. So for people with toy haulers and stuff like that, you know, tri-axle units, pretty cool little setup. Now, when you're done doing all your tires, you can again do a manual mode detect if you know your codes for each tire. You can connect and disconnect trailers and stuff like that. So you got quite a few different things you can come into this screen and do. Vehicle ID, date and time, sensors for your battery sensors, basically kind of telling you what's going on with them. So a lot of neat stuff built in to this tire pressure monitor here. Pretty cool little setup. Again, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I hope this really helped you learn a little bit more about the camper, things that come with the campers, and possibly how to use them. Thanks again.